Today we're starting off an episode with, I like to call something called Caesar's Hot and Ready ground beef cheese, half sauce, half no sauce. Oh yes. Oopsies. Didn't spill a lot, see? Tastes right. With a little green pepper. That's good. That's really good. Some good sauce. Need a little more bacon, but it's good. It's totally good. Now, this pizza about 40 calories. Something around there. Now, I get fat. Who do I call? Forgot the sauce. I'll be right back. Nya, 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 snapshot, nya, nya, nya,